Building an engine and choosing the right connecting rods is the most crucial part of putting an engine together. Here at Crower, quality is our #1 goal. All of the materials we use to manufacture and machine our connecting rods are made right here in the USA. With decades of experience, our engineers manufacture and build connecting rods that will hold up and last. Unlike other manufacturers, we don't make a one-size-fits-all connecting rod. Our billet steel Maxi-Lite connecting rods come in 6 different series. No matter what type of racing or how much horsepower your engine makes, our billet steel rods have you covered. Our Sportsman connecting rods have been the trusted OEM replacement since the early 1990s. They're approved and sanctioned by more race organizations than any other aftermarket connecting rod. With OE marking and shape, our Sportsman connecting rods work perfectly in many of today's popular racing classes, and they don't break the bank. Crower's titanium connecting rods fit any engine combination, and their strength and weight savings is unmatched. UTVs to drag racing, tractor pulls to land speed records, we build connecting rods for every facet of the performance industry. With decades of experience, countless racing wins, and a name you can trust. Check out Crower.com for more information. Let us show you why value, quality, and longevity are your best chance to make it into the winner's circle.